Welcome to Earth Archives. In the current field of physical science, quantum mechanics is undoubtedly the dominant science, and almost anything can be related to it. But how did this discipline, which is less than 100 years old, appear? Let's talk about this story today. Before the show starts, please help share and subscribe to the Earth Archives channel. Thank you. In the quaint town of Wonderhaven, nestled between rolling hills and babbling brooks, there lived a brilliant physicist named Dr. Evelyn Harper. Dr. Harper was renowned not only for her groundbreaking research but also for her ability to unravel the enigmatic world of quantum physics in a way that captivated the imaginations of the townsfolk. One sunny afternoon, she decided to gather the community in the town square for a special lesson on the wonders of quantum physics. A makeshift stage was set up, adorned with colorful props that would soon bring the mysteries of the quantum realm to life. "Welcome, everyone, to the quantum garden," Dr. Harper exclaimed with a twinkle in her eye. "Today, we'll embark on a journey to explore the bizarre and fascinating world of quantum physics, a realm where reality dances to the beat of its own peculiar tune." As the townspeople gathered around, Dr. Harper began her story. "Imagine, if you will, a garden where the flowers bloom and wither not according to the familiar rules of classical physics but to the whims of the quantum realm. This is the quantum garden, where the rules of the everyday world break down, and uncertainty becomes the guiding principle." With a flourish, Dr. Harper unveiled a box of magic seeds, each representing a quantum particle. She scattered them across the stage, and the seeds shimmered with an otherworldly glow. "These magic seeds," she explained, "represent particles at the quantum level. In our everyday lives, we're used to thinking of objects as having definite properties, like a basketball having a specific color and a particular weight. But in the quantum garden, these seeds defy such straightforward characterization." She held up a magic seed, its appearance shifting between different colors as if unable to decide on a single hue. "Quantum particles exist in a state of uncertainty, like a flower that can be both red and blue at the same time. This phenomenon is known as superposition." The townspeople, wide-eyed and intrigued, watched as the magic seed seemed to exist in multiple states simultaneously. "Now, here's where it gets even more fascinating," Dr. Harper continued. "Imagine you have a pair of magic seeds that are entangled. It's as if they share a mysterious connection that transcends the limits of space and time. When one seed changes its state, the other instantly follows suit, no matter how far apart they are. This is quantum entanglement, a dance between particles that defies our everyday understanding." She held up two entangled seeds, and as one shifted its color, the other did the same in perfect harmony. In the quantum garden, particles communicate in a way that challenges our intuition. It's as if they're whispering secrets across the vast expanse of space, instantaneously affecting each other's fate. The townspeople exchanged puzzled glances, struggling to grasp the peculiar nature of quantum entanglement. "Now, let's talk about the uncertainty principle," Dr. Harper continued, guiding the audience to a table covered in shimmering curtains. "In the quantum garden, you can't simultaneously know certain pairs of properties of a particle with perfect accuracy. It's like trying to peek behind the curtain without fully revealing what's there." She pulled back the curtains to reveal a hidden object, but its details remained elusive, obscured by the shimmering fabric. "This uncertainty challenges our classical notions of predictability. In the quantum garden, there's a fundamental limit to how much we can know about the properties of particles, introducing an element of unpredictability into the very fabric of reality." As the townspeople pondered the mysterious curtain and the hidden object, Dr. Harper transitioned to the concept of quantum tunneling. "In the quantum garden, particles can defy seemingly insurmountable barriers," she explained, gesturing to a towering obstacle on the stage. "It's as if a flower could magically appear on the other side of a solid wall without actually going through it. Quantum tunneling allows particles to traverse barriers that classical physics would deem impenetrable." With a flick of her wrist, Dr. Harper made a magic seed on one side of the barrier appear mysteriously on the other side, leaving the townspeople in awe. "Now, my friends," she continued, "you might wonder how all these peculiarities impact our lives and the world we know. Quantum physics, with its quirks and mysteries, isn't just an abstract concept for scientists in labs. It has real-world applications that touch our everyday existence." Dr. Harper led the townspeople to a small device on the stage, a quantum computer. "In the quantum garden, we've harnessed the power of quantum mechanics to create computers that process information in ways classical computers can only dream of. Quantum computers can explore multiple possibilities simultaneously, solving complex problems at speeds that were once thought impossible. She pressed a button, and the quantum computer whirred to life, performing calculations at a speed that left the townspeople marveling at the potential of this new technology. Quantum technology doesn't stop there, Dr. Harper exclaimed. It holds promise for revolutionizing communication, cryptography, and even medicine. The quantum garden, with all its strangeness, opens doors to a future where our understanding of reality can lead to incredible advancements. As the sun began to dip below the horizon, casting a warm glow on the quantum garden, Dr. Harper concluded her captivating lesson. So, my dear friends of Wonderhaven, the quantum garden is a realm of wonder and mystery. While the peculiarities of quantum physics may challenge our intuition, they also pave the way for technological marvels that can shape the future of our world. Embrace the curiosity, and you'll find that the quantum garden, with all its enigmas, is a source of endless possibilities. With that, the townspeople dispersed, their minds buzzing with newfound knowledge and a sense of awe for the quantum mysteries that underlie the fabric of reality, a reality where the quantum garden continues to bloom with potential, inviting exploration and discovery.